Hey everybody, Jake and Brenda here, our Sweet Adventures.
Hello.
Today we're going to do a recipe from Disneyland. Originally it's a blueberry corn dog, but we're going to do a cherry version of it.
Yes. We seen it. One of the
YouTubers that we follow, Nomadic Fanatic, they were there and had them. And they look pretty good.
They did.
But cherry sounds even better. So I don't know if they have those, but we're going to do a cherry version of it.
So we first have to make a compote, and that's what we're going to do right now. I'll show you.
Wait.
Here. Oh.
Okay. Okay.
I jumped the gun. Anyway, so we're going to make the cherry compote. I have a recipe. I've never made compote before, so we have the cherry pie filling. Go ahead and put this into medium heat. And so what'll happen is everything else that we're going to put in there will help to thicken it up and make it so that it may adhere to those corn dogs. And then this is a cup of sugar. And then we need 3.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. And so this is what's going to help make it stick together. So try to get this. So there's one.
They look really good.
Two.
Kind of expensive there, but
3.
so
yeah, it didn't cost us this.
no,
We'll
try.
We'll look back and see, because I think they had it posted on their video how much it cost, and then I can tell you about what it cost us to do it. So
it was $11 or $12 something.
It was for a corn dog. Yep. But when you go to those places, things are always higher priced and stuff, and I don't know if we'll ever make it there. So we're just going to try to make our own here. But we have to stir this constantly, bring it to a boil, and then we have to reduce the heat and let it simmer a little bit until it becomes translucent. So that might take a little bit. I'm not sure how long. Like I said, I've never made this before, so we'll get back to you when we get to that part. Okay, we're back. We've got it thickening up here, and now I need to take it off the heat. And I kind of use this too to kind of chop up the cherries a little bit better. So we're going to take this, and now the last thing for the compost that we need to do is a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. So I'm going to go with this, 1/2 teaspoon. There's that. We'll mix that up, and then we're supposed to let it cool for 30 minutes to an hour, and then we'll be doing the corn dogs. We'll be putting those in the oven, and then we'll do our taste test. Okay, we're back. Well, we've got the compote made, and now it's thickened up, it's cooled off. Now we're going to put these corn dogs onto the pan here. There's 5 of them in here. So we will do this. There's that. Okay, so we'll do this. We'll put them in the oven, and I believe it was about 18 to 20 minutes. And then when they come out, we'll finish them off. We'll put the compote and then the bacon, and then sprinkle them with some powdered sugar.
Good.
Okay, here we go. They are done. And now we will go ahead and mix it all up. So, I put some compote in there, or on there. Those are going to be hot to handle, so I'm going to take a paper towel, see if that works.
Good.
Yeah. Okay, and
Just gonna do a couple of them.
I am. I'm just going to do a couple to begin with. So,
That's bacon bits.
bacon bits, got to get that open. Okay, and I believe we're going to, this is how I see it. We're going to put the compote on here.
That's kind of.
It is going to be messy, and that's what they
yeah,
say. They are very messy. But we're going to get the general idea of it. And you know, if you've got any compote left over, you can, you know, put it on anything you'd like. Ice cream.
Yeah.
I don't know. I might just, like, this is new for me, so kind of get it all over on there like that.
And the bacon bits.
Put some bacon bits on there. Try to get some on the other side here. Like that.
And this is the powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar. I think that's plenty, just a tad.
Okay.
Okay, so
All right.
I'll go ahead and do another one, and then we'll taste test.
Okay, so here they are, ready to go. They look pretty good.
Yes, they do.
So we're going to try a taste test now.
Okay.
All right.
Go ahead.
All right.
Well,
They're going to be messy.
very
There's
messy.
Just no way around
No getting
it.
around that.
So,
Okay.
pretty good.
Yeah.
Very good.
You wouldn't think all those flavors, because
Yeah, there's a little bit of everything in there, so it's like,
well, you know, it's like sweet with a corn dog. You don't think
bacon
of
bits and everything
some
in
bacon
there.
bits, and then that little bit of powdered sugar.
Yeah.
Really good, actually.
It's good.
I would do
So-
it again, actually.
So, 1 to 5. I'm gonna go 4 on this one.
Well, I'm gonna go 5.
5. Whoa.
Yep.
All right.
I mean, I could probably eat a couple.
And this is gonna be our dinner. Yeah. So.
Well, actually, yes, it is. So,
Okay. Well.
so at least we tried it, and you know, it wasn't the exact, but it was our version
Yeah.
of that.
We did the cherry instead of the blueberry, but
Right.
Yeah, so
Right.
But everything else is the same. So.
Right.
Yeah.
So,
All right.
anyway, well, just remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. If you try them, if you make your
Yeah.
own
Let us
recipe,
know what you think. Yeah.
let us know what you think. We'd appreciate that. And we're here, there, and everywhere. So follow us on our journey.
See you next time.
Bye.